Hi guys, to ship this 6 light modern chandelier for viewing purposes. It comes really well protected. We have the instruction manual right here, and I like it because it comes with everything that we're gonna need to do the installation process. Okay, all the tools and everything, all the tubes, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, comes every piece comes really well protected, which I think that it's also great. As I've said, it's a chandelier using 6 lights, which I think that it's gonna give a really beautiful feeling. This is a ceiling piece, and these are the parts that we're gonna use during the installation. Okay, as I've said, it comes with everything that we're gonna need to do the assembly and installation, and it seems like a simple installation. So let's start assembling everything up and test it out. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process is actually really simple and it doesn't take that much long. The instruction manual is really clear, and I like this chandelier because it features 4 sturdy rods for enhanced stability and security, eliminating the necessity of a wobbly and loose chain that is common with traditional chandeliers. Meanwhile, the height of this chandelier is customizable, ranging from 20.5 inches to 61.8 inches, allowing it to function either as a semi-flush mount ceiling light or a chandelier perfect for high ceilings. Okay, and I like it because it can be placed on flat ceilings, sloped ceilings, and even vaulted ceilings, which I think is nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it looks amazing. I'm going to turn it on. I placed these warm white light bulbs and I think that it's perfect because it gives a really nice style to wherever you want to place it. I think that it's going to look really nice. You can place it in your kitchen, in your dining room, your living room, where you want to place it. I think that it looks amazing. I like that you can adjust the height depending on where you want to install it, and I think it's going to be really great. Overall, I like it a lot. It was really easy to install and I would really recommend it. See you guys.